What's up? It's your guy Naujoxx and welcome to my channel where I'm showing you the most unreal street style tips and tricks ever.
El Chicharito, Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado. Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio. No hay arquero. ¿Quién le pega? Gio!
Today we're filming the third episode of How's Your Heat, a series where I'm picking outfit pictures of your Instagram accounts and giving them my rating. And here's how it works. You can send outfit pictures to my email address flames@naujoxx.com. I will choose 3 to 5 pictures from different people and analyze them. My main focus is going to be the style, the background or location, and the shot in general. After analyzing your picture, I will give you 1 to 10 flames, 10 being the best and 1 being the worst. Thank you very much for your positive feedback on the first 2 episodes and all your sent in pictures. Also, make sure to add your Instagram username to the email that you sent me so I can give you credits to the picture that you sent in. Please be aware that I share my honest opinion and do not care about anything but styles and the picture in general. That's my constructive critique and very subjective. Just because I don't like certain things, it doesn't mean that you can't do them. But let's not talk too much and let's get right into the first picture. The first picture is a picture by Banyarian. I hope that's how you pronounce it. And I love the fit itself, especially the short sleeve shirt with a flower print. I can't say anything about the posing too. I love that you pose both arms differently. And what I would have done differently here is the framing, because you've cut off your feet. Try not to cut anything off when it comes to full body pictures because it always looks unwanted and off. But if it comes to detail shots like upper body shots or sneaker shots, you can obviously cut like your legs or your upper body. That works just perfectly. Also, the camera angle could have been a little bit lower so you look taller and stronger in the picture, because that would also support the very dominant posing. But all in all, I would give you 8 out of 10 flames. The next picture is a picture from an unknown follower who didn't send his IG username to the email, so I really can't tell who it is. What I like a lot about this picture is the lighting. Everything in the background is very dark and only you are in the spotlight. The style itself is nice too. What I personally dislike here though is the blue jeans with dark top and bottom. I personally do not like combining blue denims with black pieces. I always go with a darker pants and brighter tops and bottoms. And also, due to the dark environment, your style doesn't really stand out here. Lastly, your posing is very straight to the camera, so next time you could try to pose with a slight angle towards the camera, as you can see here. But all in all, I would give you 7 out of 10 flames. The next picture is a picture by the Isaac. And I really like this shot because the posing is fine, the style itself is nice, and especially the white sneakers really are very attention grabbing, which I like a lot. The framing of the shot is very nice too, and you're very centered, so I really can't say anything about the style and the picture and how you made it. The only thing that I can criticize here is the edit, because it's very desaturated and therefore looks very plain. So it's not really exciting and the picture itself doesn't really grab my attention very fast. I know exactly that you are going for that gray or modern theme that is very popular recently. But with that theme, this picture doesn't look that interesting to me because it's not really that eye-catching. But all in all, and especially because that nice posing and the framing, I would give you 9 out of 10 flames. My favorite picture of today's episode is a picture from IP Arena. What I like the most about this picture is that your style matches perfectly to the background. Especially the off-white Jordans and the cream jacket have the same color as the back and therefore match just great. And with the black cargo, you bring the perfect contrast to the background so your outfit can stand out. And the framing itself is perfect too, because you left more space above than below you. The only thing that is slightly disturbing to me is that you're not centered perfectly in the middle. You're standing slightly to the right side, which is a little bit too disturbing to me, so I can't give you the 10 out of 10 flames. But all in all, I would give you 9.5 out of 10 flames. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. I really enjoyed reviewing some of your pictures, and if you've liked as much as me, send your picture to this email address. Also, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more fashion and photography content. See you in the next videos. Over and...
El Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado. Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio. No hay arquero. ¿Quién le pega? Gio!
Instagram username to the email that if you have like upper body pictures and you cut off the picture